This 2025 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 320 View is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Wabash, Indiana, 46992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.